Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a very special drawing and the first commission for Celia. She asked me for a kinda funny drawing with Majin Vegeta playing PS5 with Kid BUU on the couch with a window behind them in which we can see Mr. Satan's city. She also wants to include the PlayStation logo somewhere, and that's all the information I got, so the rest was up to me. So as you can hear, a very special and different drawing, and before starting this I really had no idea where to start because I never drew something like this. But as for every new project, first you are kinda drawing in your mind or just get some ideas together in your head. I was also looking up for some references with people sitting on a couch just to get a better idea of how to position Vegeta and Kid BUU next to each other. I also wanted to incorporate the nature of both characters, so Majin Vegeta being serious and kinda angry, and Kid BUU being kinda cheeky and naughty, but overall the main idea was to create a funny drawing for Celia. So this is a very special drawing. It's very similar to the Dragon Ball Z characters in the bar drawing, or the Dragon Ball characters on the beach drawing, or maybe even the Goku vs. All drawing with 60 characters. These are very special drawings, and first I really have no idea where to start, but somehow I always manage to draw it. So let's check out the line art for this drawing and then we will talk again. Perfect. This is the final idea of Majin Vegeta and Kid BUU playing PS5 together on the couch, and I think I created a very cool and funny scene, and most important, this looks very natural. I'm very happy that I could show the characteristics of both characters, and I also incorporated some funny things into the drawing as well, like the drinks for Vegeta, the PlayStation logo on the wall, and on the other side, the score of the game. We can see that Vegeta has lost many times against BUU, which makes him very angry, and that's why I drew him sweating, and the veins also really help to show the anger. Kid BUU is just having fun, and this behavior also fits him very well. So for the coloring I'm using Copic, ATEX and Ohuhu markers as always, and now we will color this special drawing for Celia, and I will see you in the end again with the final result. Let's go! Alright guys, last touch, and then this funny, special and very different drawing for Celia is done, and I think it turned out really good. I love the results, especially Vegeta and Buu look amazing. I love how they sit on the couch with a completely different mood, and the small details like the drinks and the score of the game were really a golden idea. Them holding the PS5 controllers was also not easy to draw, but everything turned out amazing I think. So let me know what you think of this drawing down below in the comments, and if you are also interested in a custom drawing, send me a message on Instagram or email. Maybe you have a crazy idea like this one, so just hit me up so we can talk about it. Make sure to subscribe to my real-time channel so you can follow my drawings step by step. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. And that's it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next